Good day. In this module, let us discuss on currency exchange. Different countries use different currencies. Singapore uses the dollar, Malaysia uses ringgit, Thailand uses baht. Furthermore, Singapore dollars are different from Australian dollar. It is also different from the US dollar. Knowing how to convert from one currency to another is useful in the real world. In order for this conversion to be done, an exchange rate is introduced. What is an exchange rate? An exchange rate is the current market price for which the currency can be exchanged for another. The rates change from time to time depending on the demand and supply of the currencies. If you had been to the money changer, you would have seen boards like these hanging on the walls of the money changer. There are currencies displayed. There are also columns of numbers displayed. What do these columns mean? A simplified model is placed on page 15 of your notes. If you look at the table, the first column reads currency, second column reads units, third column reads sell, fourth column reads buy. In 1978, three-letter currency codes were introduced to standardize the different currencies used. Example, SGD is used to represent Singapore dollar, AUD to represent Australia dollar, JPY to represent Japanese yen. The board is prepared by the money changer. Therefore, the values here in the third and the fourth column shows what the money changer is willing to sell you or shows what the price is to sell you the currency. Let me elaborate. The money changer is willing to sell you US dollar if you pay them 1.2883 for 1 US dollar. The money changer is willing to sell you 1 unit of euro dollar at 1.6577 Singapore dollar. The money changer is willing to sell you 1 Hong Kong dollar at 0.1665 Singapore dollar. The money changer is willing to sell you 100 Japanese yen at 1.2762 dollar. You will see that this column refers to the rate in Singapore dollars, and that is the rate which the money changer will sell you the number of units. Conversely, if you wish to return or sell your US dollar to the money changer, it is when the money changer buys the US rate from you. Therefore, in the fourth column, it displays the amount that the money changer is willing to pay if he has to buy 1 US dollar from you. If the money changer has to buy 1 US dollar from you, he is willing to pay 1.2717. The money changer is willing to buy Australia dollars from you at 1.1561. The money changer is willing to buy 1 ringgit from you at 0.4045. The money changer is willing to buy 100 units of Indonesia rupiah from you at 0.0128. The last column refers to the rate in Singapore dollars, and that is the amount of money the money changer will give you in return for the listed unit of foreign currency. Remember, the table, the board that you see, is prepared by the money changer. It shows you how much the money changer is willing to sell you the currency. It shows you how much the money changer is willing to buy the particular currency from you. Therefore, in summary, refer to the sell column if you want to buy foreign currency with the Singapore dollars. Refer to the buy column if you want to sell foreign currency for Singapore dollars. A lot has been said. Let me use an example to elaborate or demonstrate what I have been discussing with you. In example 17, use the exchange rates from the table above. Find for each of the following currencies the amount the money changer will exchange for 400 Singapore dollars. Part 1, Euro dollars. Let's go find out the Euro dollar rates. Now remember, you have 400 Singapore dollars. You want to bring your 400 Singapore dollars and go buy Euro dollars. You want to buy, meaning the money changer is actually going to sell Euro dollars to you. What's the exchange rate like? For the money changer to sell Euro dollars to you, we will then therefore look at this value here. I know that it takes me $1.6577 Singapore dollars to buy 1 euro dollar. Let me bring that figure down. So I know it takes Sing $1.6577 to purchase 1 euro. In other words, if I have 400 Singapore dollars, how much euro dollars will I get then? If it takes 1.6577 Singapore dollars to purchase 1 euro, I can take my 400 Singapore dollars, divide by 1.6577. Let's see what's the figure I'll get. So I have 400 divide by 1.6, oops, 1. Let me do this again. 400 divide by 1.6577. I will actually receive an amount of, let's see, what's the amount again? 241.298, which essentially since this is money, let's round off to 2 DP. So I'll get 241 point, oops, not 9, but 241.30 euro dollars in return. Which makes sense. It takes more than $1 to purchase the 1 euro dollar. All right. Let us look at example 2. I bring my Singapore dollar, I go to the money changer, and I'm going to purchase Japanese yen. Me buying Japanese yen means that the money changer is actually going to sell me Japanese yen. So if he is going to sell me Japanese yen, I can see that he is going to sell me 100 Japanese yen at $1.2762. I repeat, he's going to sell me 100 Japanese yen at 1.2762. Let me bring the values down. I know it takes me let me look at the figure again. 1.2762 to buy 100 units of yen. All right, now I have 400 Singapore dollars. All right, I'll be able to achieve 400. Okay, let me erase this. This is not equivalent, but the conversion. All right, I'll take 400 divide by 1.2762. I'm getting 100 yen for that, so I'm going to multiply by 100. And that will allow me to exchange for, let's see what I have in my figure. 400 divided by 1.2762, thereafter multiply by 100. I will actually get 31,343.05 Japanese yen. All right. Similarly, for Hong Kong dollar, I'm going to bring Singapore dollar to go to the money changer to buy Hong Kong dollar, which means the money changer is going to sell me Hong Kong dollar, which is at this rate here. Sell me Hong Kong dollar. He's going to sell me 1 Hong Kong dollar at 0.1665. Right? So I know Singapore dollar 0.1665 will fetch me let me write this properly. Will fetch me 1 Hong Kong dollar. So if I have 400 Sing dollar, I'm going to get 400 divided by 0.1665, and that will give me 2402.40 Hong Kong dollar. Last one, Indonesia rupiah. I'm going to bring my Singapore dollar to go and buy Indonesia rupiah. Me buying means the money changer is going to sell. I can see that the money changer is willing to sell me 100 units of Indonesia rupiah at Singapore dollars 0.0130. So if I do my conversion, I will know that the amount of Indonesia rupiah I'm going to receive will be as good as with Sing 400. I'm going to receive 400 divided by 0.013 multiplied by 100 because I'm going to get 100 units of it. And this is equivalent to 307923.08 Indonesia rupiah. Manageable, isn't it?